Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Anuj Chawla. I'm consultant orthopedic and foot and ankle specialist working at CK Birla Hospital, Gurgaon. So winters are here, and so during winters time, the pain in every part of the body and in fact including the joints, the pain starts to get worsened. So foot and ankle is also affected in the equal sense. So today we are going to discuss about why is it that the foot pain becomes worse in winter, and secondly what are the basic tips that we can do at home to prevent the pain arising during the winter period. So first of all, why does pain worsen during the winter period? I think it's very important to know. During the winters, generally there is a reduction in temperature which leads to contraction of the tissues around the joint and similarly in the foot and ankle region as well. It also leads to constriction of the blood vessels. So as a result, the blood supply to the foot, which is actually the most extreme part of the body, is reduced as well. So that leads to a bit more, in fact due to that our body has to work a bit more harder, just for simple movements at various joints, and hence they predispose to the stiffness. So since the body has to work extra, so there is a chance of a flare up of a joint related pain during this period. Also it has been mentioned that the reduction in the atmospheric pressure during the winter period leads to changes and alteration in the pressure inside the joint, which can also worsen the joint pains in the foot and ankle region. Apart from that, generally in winters we tend to sit in our rooms, avoid going outside, and our physical activity reduces, so that leads to weight gain. Apart from that, weight gain also happens because the kind of clothes that we wear during the winters, we wear multiple layer of clothes, and so that also increases to the weight, and all this weight is transmitted to our feet. So as a result, the pressure that our feet are bearing during the winter period is significantly higher as compared to the summer period. Then with regards to the shoes, most of the times we are wearing simple slippers while we are at home, and when we are going out, maybe the women are wearing sandals. But as the winters approach, they start wearing boots, which can sometimes be very constrictive to the feet. So all these reasons would lead to significant worsening of the foot pain during the winter period. So what are the ways, or what are the basic tips that we can do to prevent this pain which worsens during the winter? So first of all, I think it is very important that the kind of shoes that we are wearing, they are well fitted. So what happens is, when we go for purchasing a shoe, or we are not really using the same kind of inner footwear like the socks that we are using. It is not exactly the same. So you have to make sure that there is some extra room for a thick or a woolen sock when you are purchasing your boots. So that is one very important thing. Apart from that, yes, you make sure that you massage your feet and you exercise so as to prevent the weight gain. During this period, the vitamin D levels are also very low as the exposure to the sun is reduced, and to top it up, the pollution also in our region increases during the same period, so that also prevents the synthesis of vitamin D in the skin. So vitamin D supplementation in the form of oral sachets or capsules to be taken every week, I think it's a good idea, especially during this winter season. Also during the same period, doing some basic stretching and strengthening exercise of your foot and ankle region would help you in a longer term in reduction of the pain arising from this region. You have to avoid accumulation of moisture inside your feet during this period. So wearing something like moisture wicking socks is a good idea, which can actually prevent the dampness and absorb the moisture from your skin. So in case you also are suffering from any foot and ankle ailment and it has worsened during the winter period, it's a good idea to have a consultation with the doctor. So we are available, just book an appointment. If you like this video, then you can like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.